features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. A distinctive design that is different from any other phone. You have a pioneering phone in a small body in a folded state. Samsung has reduced the size of the screen hinge and developed the design to be more suitable for one-handed use. The phone is IPX8 certified. The phone supports 5G networks. Stereo external headphones provide a remarkably distinctive and stereoscopic sound. The leading Qualcomm processor, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, to get the strongest possible performance. The latest Android 12 operating system with the Samsung interface for the One UI 4.1 Flip. Foldable screen with excellent size, high quality and great reliability from Samsung, with a variable frequency from 1 to 120 Hz to preserve the battery. Disadvantages of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Unfortunately, the phone is still very expensive. It is missing the 3.5mm port for headphones. The phone does not support the possibility of increasing the space via a memory card, and this is normal in leading phones. The phone box does not contain some basic accessories. Charging capacity. Why hasn't it been developed to keep pace with competing phones? When pressing the processor to 100%, the software reduces the processor frequencies to keep the phone from overheating and draining the battery. It did not bring a radical change compared to the previous version, the Z Flip 3, other than the larger battery and the newer processor, by a slight difference. If you finished the video until the end, thank you very much. Just like that, the video is finished. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share. We want to reach 1000 subscribers.